Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Look at me, I am Princess. Today we will be making iced mocha. Ingredients: whisk, chocolate, bowl, coffee, spoon, sugar and hot water. Now I'm adding all the ingredients. So first is coffee, sugar and chocolate. And water. Now I'm gonna whisk it. So I finished mixing the chocolate and everything. Now I'm gonna get my milk and ice in a glass. Let's go to the fridge. Put the milk in the glass which has ice. Now I'm going to put the chocolate in and mix it with the milk and ice. So I'm putting chocolate all around the glass. So when you drink it, it tastes yum with coffee and chocolate. It's yum. Don't forget to subscribe.